the starting unit now for the two teams as they are preparing themselves in our starting jumble. And it's going to be Saga number 7 and Butuhan for the Good Shepherd. And the handball resulted to a ball position for the Good Shepherd. And Ortega passed it over the ball to Butuhan. Back to Ortega. And Cavite this time, Butuhan to the ball up, Jay, nothing good. And the Builders now on the attack. It's Manalili, has it, John Abad, it's Vincent Mingito this time off one hand. No, it. And the ball now goes back to the Good Shepherd. Butuhan this time kicks it out to the corner. It's Commander, let's it fly. Still not. So no scoring yet for the two teams. So here comes now the Builders. It's Jonathan the team Manalili. Cross-court pass to Mingito to Sala. Here's the ground pass to Janber Cabahog, and he gets his first basket of the ball game. So the Builders now on our scoreboard, 2 against 0. Ortega, the pick and roll, and it's an air hawk by Cañete did not materialize, and Butuhan, the follow through is not as well, and it's Saga this time, the long pass to Manalili. Manalili's jump shot is good, he uses the window. It's Jonathan Manalili converting his first attempt on the ball game. It's Cañete. He aims and he fires from the outside. Could not buy a basket. Here's the pass break attack. It's Saga this time. So there's no scoring yet for the Good Shepherd. It's Alikaway number 9. Alikaway fires away. Cañete tracks it back and the outlet pass to Ortega, and there's a cut by Butuhan. Extra pass to the corner, side pocket by Cañete, still no. Here comes now the ARQ again. It's Janber Cabahog. Long trigger by Cabahog, no good. The Good Shepherd back on the position. Ortega. He gets the high screen, Ortega. There's the pass inside to Cañete. Cañete up and under. No, one more for Cañete, still not. And the pass deflected, the ball deflected finally. And it goes down to Vincent Mingito, and he goes for 3. It's nothing there on that shot by Mingito. And here comes Alikaway. Alikaway undecided. Pass number 2. Ortega, who moves closer the ball and puts it up. Still not. It's Janber Cabahog secures the rebound for the Builders. It's Jonathan Manalili straight away for the layup.
The timeout, Good Shepherd.
So the Good Shepherd has requested. So the Good Shepherd now on the position after the timeout. So let's find out how that timeout will work for the Good Shepherd. Alikaway misses again. And here comes Abad for the ARQ. The pass deflected, but it goes to Manalili. Janber aims and fires. No, it's a miss by Janber Cabahog. And here comes, it's Alikaway. The long layup is at Cañete.
Cañete, 2 points.
So the Good Shepherd now on the scoreboard on that follow-up shot by Cañete. Counter attack now for the Builders. Saga, long fire. It's not good. And Alikaway pick up the ball. And here comes now Comendador for the Good Shepherd. It's Alikaway. Comendador down the middle. No, the twist. And the ball now snatches by John Abad to the team Manalili. It's 2 against 1.
Manalili, 2 points.
And it's a beautiful layup by Manalili all the way to the cup. And that will give the score to 10 against 2. And here comes now Alikaway. Pass the ball to Butuhan. Butuhan. Yes.
3 points, Butuhan.
It's a big hit that time by Butuhan. And that's a good indication now for the good shipper. It's Saga, by the way.
Saga, 2 points.
That's a nice pull-up jumper by Saga. And that would give him a 7-point lead. Ortega in motion. The finger roll overs.
There's a foul committed by jersey number 27. It's Manalili. Substitution. Manalili first personal foul. Team foul 1.
So it's a two-man substitution now for the good shepherd as Hika and Prakis are checking in. And Ortega, by the way, gets his first free throw and the second as well. It's Jan Abad pushing out to Manalili. Cross-court pass. Jan Abad from the downtown.
Banks. 3 points, Abad.
Another big hit from the outside by Jan Abad. It's 15 against 7. Here comes now Alikaway for the good shepherd. And they go now to Hika. Alikaway from the Rainbow Country. Could not buy a basket. It's Chandro Cabahog now hands it over to Jan Abad. Here's the jump pass to Manalili.
Manalili, 2 points.
And Jonathan Manalili has already 8 points across his name. While the good shepherd continues to miss on their long shot.
Jonathan Manalili, 2 points.
Again, it's another layup. Pass break attack from Jonathan Titing Manalili. 19 against 7. Alikaway now to Hika number 19. It's Prahes, press from the bench.
Rahes, 2 points.
And that's the first basket now for Prahes. One of the reliable players for the good shepherd. It's Titing Manalili. Slices the back pass. Saga at close range. Nothing there. And Alikaway secures it back now for the good shepherd. Alikaway is in traffic. Pass the ball out to Butuhan number 4. They go down to Hika. Long fire.
Banks. 3 points.
And finally, the 3-point shot of the good shepherd hits the basket. It's Jan Abad. Mingito now puts it on the deck. It's Abad. Wide open. No good. It's a misfire by Jan Abad and Alikaway recovers it back. And here comes now. It's a 3-on-1 attack. Hika will fire. No good. It's Jan Abad out demanding 2 players for the good shepherd. John Gork is free.
John Gork Cabajo, 2 points.
It's a nice 2-point shot by John Gork Cabajo. It's 21 against 12. It's a numerical inversion in our scoreboard. It's Ortega, by the way. He continues to miss. It's a poor outside shooting now for the good shepherd. They could not able to get their rhythm. It's John Gork the twist.
John Gork Cabajo, 2 points.
It's almost a turnover, but he got able to recover it back, and he makes the pull-up jumper. No, it's Price to the rescue. No good, also into the hands of Hika.
Hika, 2 points.
It's 23 against 14. So the ball game so far is dominated by the ARQ Builders. So this is the battle for third between these two claimants in the third place. Jan Abad. He finds an opening. Yes.
John Abad, 2 points.
And that's a lefty layup by Jan Abad. Here comes Alikaway to Butuhan. Another prime.
Banks. 2 points.
The second play was no time by Butuhan. Manalili is in traffic. There he moves. And the layup draws contact.
There's a foul committed by jersey number 4. Butuhan, first personal foul. And the team foul 1.
And the team Manalini gets his first free throw that time.
Substitution of Manalini in progress.
So 27-17, a 10-point lead for the ARQ Builders with under 2 minutes remaining of the first period. Gaboya number 24, lose it this time to the hands of John Abad. Here comes ARQ, Abad, and it's same ball. So it's a nice step out by Lakang, preventing the transition attack of the Builders. It's the inbound is John Abad. It is familiar. No, it's favorite angle. No, he could not buy a basket. And the ball now goes to the good shepherd with Gaboya. Takes it away. It's Price in a signature shot.
Right, 2 points.
Less than a minute remaining. Mingito, by the way. No good for that time of Vincent Mingito. 50 seconds remaining. It's Heka Longpai.
Points. 3 points.
It's Junko for the pass break. Picks and pumps. That is good.
Jungle Cabajo, 2 points.
34 seconds remaining. 34 seconds. It's 29-22. Just a 7-point lead for the ARQ Builders. And Heka Gaboya from the attack. Jump pass to Prahis.
It's Brahes, 2 points.
And the Builders now will take the last position with 12 seconds remaining of the first quarter. 7 seconds. Janabat for 3.
End of our first quarter. It's the second quarter of the game.
So it's the start now of the second period. The count is 29-24. The Builders is on top by just 5. It's Jillian Dilato now entering the ball game alongside Jimmy Mantelia. It's Jimmy. Pick up his dribble. Long fire by Jimmy. A little bit low. Mingito is there for the foul goal.
Mingito, 2 points.
So the good shipper now back on the position. It's Heka, fires away. It's almost but not quiet. And the ball now driven by Flores. They go now to Jenmar Bragais. Jenmar, no look pass to Jimmy. The handoff deflected out. It's Jimmy Mantelia, Manalili, all, or it's Bragais all alone. It's not good. The ball now rebounded by, it goes to Lakang, intercepted now by Bragais. Jenmar Bragais, shoot time.
Brahes, 2 points.
Another transition attack for the Builders.
Points.
Long 2-point shot.
2 points.
It's a long 2-point shot by Heka. And the pass intended to Flores. Draws contact. And a foul against number 19.
There's a foul committed by jersey number 19. Heka, second personal foul.
Okay, 26 pa. Okay. Long 2 na to. The ball now intercepted by it's Gaboya. Katubig. No, it is the follow through. And here comes Dilator. Mingito driving it hard.
Mingito, 2 points.
It's Vincent Mingito. So the lead now is back up to 9 points at 35-26. So this is the real battle for third. Gaboya, by the way, missing that one. And the ball rebounded by Bragais. It's Jenmar Bragais. It's a hang time. Yes, sir.
Brahes, 2 points.
Here comes Price in the signature move. No good. And the ball now goes back to the Builders with Mingito. Vincent Mingito loses.
Substitution of Lakang. In Comendador.
It's Flores, Dilator, Bragais, ball fake, back pass to Minguito, nothing there. It's Katubig now takes care of the rebound for the good shipper, 37-26 affair. Hega moving in, lose it in the process. It's Bryce with a nice pick shot.
Rawheads, 2 points.
37-29, it's a net 8-point ball game. Or 28, 37-28. It's a 9-point ball game. It's JB Mantelia, nothing there. And the ball now is picked up by Price. Here comes the guys in green. Gabuya number 24. Here's the cut by Price. No problem.
Rawheads, 2 points.
37-30 Builders. Dilator, he finds JB. They go to Vincent Minguito. Takes the pass inside. Loose ball. The ball goes astray. Pick up the same way. Gaboya. The guys in green, back on the position. Gaboya, Heka, fires away. Big long shot by Hega. That is down to 4. Minguito, by the way, missing that one.
It's Minguito, 2 points.
And he gets a tip in shot. Just a 6-point lead at this sequence. Hega against JB. Hega, stop and palms. It's Hega with hot hands tonight. Already 3 triples of the ball game. The latter, by the way, lost control. It's a football.
Substitution. Substitution.
We still have 6 minutes and 16 seconds. And the ball goes to Vega, not this time around. And it goes to Butuhan. Butuhan misses it. It goes on to Dilator. Dilator attacks. Dilator goes up. No way. And the ball now goes to Comendador. Comendador now comes in on. They have the numbers, but Comendador with the arrival of Kega. And Kega finds Butuhan to the right. Butuhan, hand out to Katubig. Katubig forces the issue. 3 seconds.
A 3 seconds violation.
So the ball now will go back to the hands of the Builders. Somebody of the Good Shepherd is laying eggs inside the paint. Here comes Jinmar Bragais. Saga on top of the key. JB for 3. No, it's a rebound by Saga. And the pass intercepted. Almost an interception. Dilator gets it back. Dilator locates JB all alone. It's overshoot. Here comes the guys in green. They are trailing by just 3 points. Butuhan, Hega, delivers! So this is now up to 9 ball game at 39 all. We're dealing at 39 all. Dilator, Mantelia undecided. He finds Jinmar. Jinmar, the pass to Saga. Counted.
There's a foul committed by jersey number 5. No, jersey number 36. It's Comendador.
It's Comendador. Here's the pass. Hega again. And this is now a favor for the Good Shepherd. Jinmar Bragais responds no. it's Katowiks, Nasing Etol Saga. 41-42, it's a big tournament event. Road shipper now on the driver's seat. Heka against Chinmar. Heka stop and palm.
Vega, 2 points.
So up by 3 points this time. The Good Shepherd, Saga missing the long fire. So here comes now the Good Shepherd. Butuhan to Heka. And they want to further expand the lead. Heka again! Wow, so this is now a 6-point lead. Dilator aiming. He slice. He puts it up. Yes, sir.
Dilator, 2 points.
And that's a pull-up J by Gillian Dilator. So the Good Shepherd now controlling the tempo of the ball game. Serenio. Comendador. Oh, this is off target. And the ball now goes to Jenmar. Jenmar is a one-way ticket, but he was distracted. A foul will be charged.
There's a foul committed by jersey number 36. It's Comendador. First personal foul. And a team foul 2.
So 3 minutes exactly, the Good Shepherd is in team foul 2.
Substitution.
It's Gaboya. It goes on to Ortega. Strong layup is good.
Ortega, 2 points.
A 5-point lead now for the Good Shepherd. Jenmar, one-way play.
Demar Bragay, 2 points.
That's a quick attack by Jenmar Bragais. Ortega by the way, missing that one. It's Jenmar. It's Flores.
Flores, 2 points.
Warning, coach of Good Shepherd for resentment to Anand Cole. Warning, Good Shepherd. Passing attack. Mantelia, a walk in the park.
Demar Bragay, 2 points.
Okay, coach technical for the Good Shepherd for resentment to Anand Cole.
There's a technical foul by the Good Shepherd for a second with an on-call.
O, doon natin yung warning kanina, yung warning na. Two minutes and 7 seconds. It's Ortega. Okay, 2 minutes and 3 seconds. 2 minutes and 3 seconds. It's Kanyete posting up. Kanyete against Saga. He powers it up. No. One more for Kanyete. No, it's off the bar. And the ball now goes to Mantilla. Pushing it instead to Bragais. Bragais, it's a shoot time.
That's last it down by Demar Bragay, 2 points. And there's a foul committed by jersey number 36. It's Comendador. Second personal foul. Team foul 3.
So 53-49 as the lead switches back to the ARQ Builders.
Substitution. Australiano in Alikawai.
And there's the sideline throw in for the ARQ Builders. Jimmy Mantelia. Mantelia, long trigger is next. Saga gets it back. Back to Dilator. Squeezes the trigger. It's a misfire. It's a wrong tap. Bragais. And a foul.
There's a foul committed by jersey number 9, Halikawai. First personal foul. Warning for penalty.
So two free throws is coming up for Jinmar Bragais. It's two bad misses by Bragais. Offensive rebound this time. No, the Gentle Hawk of Flores. 1 minute and 17 seconds. It's Alikawai pushes. He gets across on the timeline. 54-49, 5-1 ball game for the Builders. Alikawai to Ortega. Watching on is Jinmar Bragais. Ortega dribbles the ball. Crashing into Bragais. And the pass. Alikawai. Commander will fire. 55 seconds. Saga. Bragais. Flores. Dilator. Attacks baseline. Reverse. Nothing good. And it's a nice stop by the good Shepherd. It goes on to Ortega with 40 seconds remaining. It's Ortega, one with trip. Nothing there. It's partially deflected. Saga. Mantelia. 3-on-1 attack. It's Mantelia sure set.
Jimmy Mantelia, 2 points.
With 20 seconds. Shot clock is off. 15 seconds. Comendador. Alikawai. 10 seconds remaining. Running shot by Alikawai. Draws contact.
There's a foul committed by jersey number 11, Jimmy Mantelia. First personal foul. Team foul 1.
So 9.6 seconds. 56-49. And a couple of free throws for Alikawai. He makes both charities down to 5:56:51. 7 seconds remaining. So they will take the last shot, the Builders, as Jimmy Mantelia moving to the right. Here's the pass now to extra pass to Saga.
In our second quarter.